care of all that. Ain't much lag. It's pretty damn, you know, responsive. Full waterfall. I can change pretty much anything I want. I can go 365. I can go 360. Put it back on 375. So, watch the radio here. Audio. So I'm transmitting out the radio just fine with nothing connected to my laptop, and I can do it anywhere I want. I can make a connection to the hotspot on my cell phone from a coffee shop and access my system here. I haven't touched that over there. I've done everything over there from here. So, I mean, what more could you want? The waterfall is what makes it cool. I mean, it's like power steering on a car. Once you have it, you don't want to do it without it. And there's just too much information there. You can see who's out there, how strong they are, who's talking, you know, what frequency they're on. You can bounce over there and check it out. Without a waterfall, it's almost like you're blind. But you can change VFOs here. You can turn noise reduction on and off. You can pretty much do everything you would do as if you were right there at your radio. And it works pretty darn slick. I don't know if you can see the meter moving or not, but we'll try one more time. I'm only putting out 5 watts. Audio. Yeah, the meter's moving. You can see it moving, but you can see it better on my radio. So that's gone. I'm still on the system over there. Audio. So these are IP address defined. You say where stuff's coming from and where you're going to send it to. And in the menu, you can change the port from default is 6890. So I use 6890 in one direction, and I use 6980 one direction, 6990 the other direction. So I'm using a different port each way. You don't have to, because the PTT determines what the radio is going to do. I mean, the microphone's always live on a boom mic, so when you hit PTT, it kills the audio out, and the mic becomes hot. And when you let off the PTT switch, the mic's still hot, but the mic input is cut off, and the audio goes back out the headphone jack. So the PTT, button on WFView, it's a control. So it works that in the radio, and that's what lets you bounce back and forth between listening to the radio and talking to the radio. Shut down receptor there. Shut down receptor there. We'll log off. Now I'm back to my screen. You can still see me talking through my talkie. Shut down here. I don't want to do that. Shut down there. So yeah, everything's back to normal. And yeah, I have to log back on this screen because I was logged on from my laptop. So I'm back to normal here. And once again, there is nothing connected to this laptop other than my power cord.
was one of the moments that you loved to hate me, and you hate you love me so.